ta ko tirele tu game ma khe pi ni ta ha po na an ne ha bira mi tora ima video le ri ma cha vale eva ap si ha va cha ne ta za za ap thlina chara pati ni mo tara no isla tora eva no Sitlia no, but no, I know to report the Dorim not to know Gimo Toka, Tapis and no, it was a petit in order. Gimo Nene, do so again. Some mamma will be him. Tavia, our own Clotanera, figure a la arrest, we go on the view. Kirele, Gunan request.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, we are going to uncle's house to eat dinner. So this is my mommy's channel, so I already know how to fight. So sister, if you're watching this, just subscribe. Yeah, I'll come to school. And make sure my stomach is already hurt, and I'm feeling more better if I go to school and study.
Zanin chu kan chuak do na kan na higna na thoka insawn to do na in thla na chaw kan ve do ni chu heta hian north east lam tu na so yam insawn tu pa hi insawn to do na chuanin kan va thla do ni kina ai in kan thlen na so video lak te ram chuanin kan notice on do nya bye 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 ba tar le
Bye guys.
Ini kan kanon na kuwa. Kan lalut lo ni. Tata. Coba aja. Cho cái agent to na ka an bo shi ni ka na kuna shi ko ku pa be te ni arem chuan muk bang ti don la to ke wat se cho cái lo khorang e wan Kalau makan lo chura pui lo, hello makan lo chura pui ni dia. Dia, lokal lah.
Yeah, it's enough.
Heta lo piro heta ikan ni kan.
When you take, then you can leave it.
Hey kan itu tu.
Nah, Vawksa itu mau.
Yeah. This is Manipuri special.
My husband.
This is iromba with that fermented stinky beans. Stinky beans seeds is the chak. Seeds are a dried one. I soaked it and then I prepared it in a Manipuri style. And that is green chili and what do we call that? There's a seed which we eat. The green one. I mash it with green chili and nari. Okay. And this is pork. This is salad. A little bit of Italian style. Let's see. And that's chicken.
Naga style.
Naga style by
Naga style.
And this is mustard.
Ơi, hả?
Okay, water. Let's go.
Okay,
What do you
let's
need?
have.
I have it for more than
Water, over 1 quarter now.
Okay.
Many. Yeah. Say something.
Hả? Thứ này hiện hay cho cái ấy tọt đó na. Cho anh hay tuy đó nó tụi ta cần nấu ấy chỗ đó thì ấy lại cho anh cần nấu thì nấu nấu mình.
Thank you so much everyone for coming. People, especially, it becomes more special if there's people, if the people around me are from my region. There's more of a family, that a bonding which we long for when we are outside from our home, right? There's 3 of us are from Manipur and others are from Mizoram. Interstate dinner.
I guess you. Kan ezo check ya, kan pon ezo.
Oh, I consume a lot.
more rice.
Kilo is
Little more rice.
yeah. Very good time, brother.
We are not going to stay for you tomorrow. Please.
One is really.
This is my last part. Thank you so much, brother. God bless you.
Please, just
Yeah.
yeah.
Brother, just leave it.
No need to feel shy.
I'm also that type of person. I just focus on the me, the level. Hello, everyone. Hello, sister. Hello, brother. Thank you all for coming. And it has been wonderful having every one of you here. Seems like 2 kg of pork. We thought it would be a lot, but looking at the quantity which is remaining, I think we enjoyed that so that it was well cooked, well prepared, and everyone loved it.
I myself alone will consume more than half kilo.
I just want you all to finish this up. You want? Give you but
I'm getting loads of them.
I think it's
You never know that you can get this pork from Odisha.
okay.
You said it from okay. That's why I made that. So I feel so alone after a long time. Something makes me so what to say? It's dream.
Actually, it is, and also in places like Navarampur, Kandamal, Raigara, these are outskirt. It is considered as Asia's most rural places, outskirt places. And doing ministry in such places is something which is very challenging. But yet, brother has served.
This is not from my side. This comes.
That's how he started his ministry. And very kind of mix. Mixed feeling.
As a bachelor.
Okay.
So I survived here myself.
Thank you so
more
much.
than 7 years.
Thank you.
After that only I got married. Very nice. Time to meet you people.
Just put it inside the basin. Put it inside the sink.
It makes me so happy. Give me many courage, so to say. And all so what do I say that no, it's totally it's not Christian. So you cannot have that.
Oh.